Hey, so everybody loves this Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash, but it costs like $6 at the store. You can literally make this for about 50 cents. So here's what we're going to need. You can use a 91% isopropyl alcohol. You can also use a 70% if you want to. And platinum, the Dawn Platinum, you want to use this, but you can also use this Dawn Ultra. So what we're going to do is we're going to use mostly this, and if we don't have enough, then we're going to use some of this. So we're going to fill up our glass to 1 3/4 cup water. How about there? We're going to use 4 tablespoons of this Dawn Platinum. And then we're going to use 2 tablespoons of this 91% isopropyl alcohol. And we're just going to mix it together. Pour it into our bottle. And there you have it. Instead of paying $6, 50 cents, and you got that awesome Dawn Platinum Plus Power Wash.